Tartini, cranberry flavored vodka, Tartini.
Let's make this little tartini. So we're gonna start off with 1.5 ounces of raspberry vodka. So I have one, and I like how the bottle matches my top. Hey, maybe I did that on purpose. Maybe. Then we're going to do, I think it's 3/4 of an ounce, 0.75 ounce of Chambord. I don't do math. Math and me, you do not mix. My friends always laugh when I try. They're like, oh, at least you tried. We all accept our flaws. So we have that, and then we're gonna do the same amount, 0.75 ounce of cranberry juice. And then we're going to do what I found this recipe. 1 ounce and 15 ounce of lime juice. So 1 ounce and then half of a ounce of lime juice. Alrighty, now we're just gonna add slowly so I don't mess up my outfit. I'm not going anywhere, but I still don't want it to be stained. You never know. They can say quarantine is over tomorrow, and then I'm just gonna throw this puppy on because I'm going out. Alrighty, and here we go. Remember in the episode when Samantha was trying to get her boobs done and the bartender was shaking her boobs? That's not easy. Well, these are packed in. She wasn't even moving. She was like, and they moved. I had to shake. They're packed in. When they're real, you pack them in so they don't move. I think it's ready. Not yet. All right, my hand's cold. Now it's ready. Okay. So in the episode, there was no garnish because they were in a club. So we're just going to keep it simple and keep it like that. So let's see how it turned out. It was a little darker in the show, but it still looks delicious. And it still slightly matches me. Get out of my shot. Let's see how it tastes. It's not tart, but it's so delicious. Oh my God. I love raspberry. You like raspberry? Oh, this is so good. This is so refreshing. I'm sure that's not what the recipe in the show would have been. Because I remember Stanford saying when they got to the Cub, Tartini, cranberry flavored vodka, Tartini. No one freaking makes that. I'm not going to make that. And I don't like cranberry flavored vodka. I prefer raspberry. And this is a recipe I found, and it's freaking good. Like a sommelier. Good. It is good. It is good. I'm so ready for this to be over and go back to life. I'm so ready to enjoy the reason why I live in New York City. Is to have a life. Is to have fun. Is to enjoy it. Enjoy it. Well, what I'm going to do now is enjoy this cocktail. And from one single lady to my 4 favorite ones, and to the others out there, cheers.
Hey, you little Tartini. Time to go home.
What?
You've had enough.
Oh,